I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for bankruptcy, step by step. First, you must complete a credit counseling course from an approved provider within 180 days before filing your case. This helps you explore all debt relief options. Next, you will determine whether Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy best suits your financial circumstances. Finally, gather all your financial documents, such as income statements, bank statements, and a detailed list of your assets and debts. After credit counseling, you will meticulously gather all required documents. This includes pay stubs for the last 60 days, tax returns for the past 2 years, and bank statements for several months. You will also need property deeds, vehicle titles, and a comprehensive list of all creditors. With these documents, you will then accurately complete the official bankruptcy forms and your petition, ensuring all financial information is truthfully disclosed. Approximately 21 to 50 days after filing, you will attend the Section 341 meeting of creditors. This is an informal meeting with your assigned trustee, not a judge, where you will answer questions under oath about your financial situation and submitted paperwork. Creditors may attend but rarely do. After this, you must complete a second mandatory debtor education course, focusing on personal financial management to fulfill the requirements. The final stage is receiving your debt discharge. For Chapter 7 cases, this typically occurs within 3 to 5 months after filing, officially eliminating eligible debts. Chapter 13 cases involve a repayment plan lasting 3 to 5 years, with discharge granted after successful completion. Once discharged, you can begin rebuilding your financial future by making timely payments and responsibly managing new credit, working towards a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.